Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important topic, that is holidays for the calendar year 2025. In this video, we are going to go through the list of holidays for the upcoming year 2025. This will help everyone to plan their work and personal schedules accordingly. Types of holidays. In this video, we'll be covering the official holidays for the calendar year 2025 to make it easier for the employees to manage their leave plans and avoid scheduling conflicts. This overview will also help ensure that everyone is aware of these dates in advance, so you can plan your vacations and time off with confidence. It's crucial that our holiday calendar aligns with the company policies and regional regulations to support a balanced work environment. Now let us discuss about different types of holidays, starting with national holidays. Let's start with the national holidays that are celebrated across the country. These holidays are observed by the majority of workforce, so it's important for all of us to mark them on our calendars. That is New Year Day, which comes on 1st January 2025, a time to celebrate the beginning of the year and reflect the past year's experiences. Then comes Republic Day, January 26, celebrating the adoption of the Indian Constitution and a movement of national pride. Then comes Independence Day on August 15th, a key national event that commemorates our freedom. Then comes Gandhi Jayanti, October 2nd, honoring the birth of Mahatma Gandhi, a day marked by remembrance and peace. The second type of holidays is national festivals. Now let's look into some of the major festivals that are widely celebrated throughout the India. These holidays may vary by religion, but they hold significant cultural value. Holi, March 17th, a vibrant festival of colors that signifies the arrival of spring and triumph of good over evil. Eid al-Fitr, April 20, a joyful celebration marking the end of Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting. Then comes Diwali, November 12th, known as the Festival of Lights. It is one of the most important and celebrated festivals in India, symbolizing the victory of lights over darkness. Eid al-Adha, June 29, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice. It is an important occasion for Muslims. Then comes Ganesh Chaturthi, September 17th. Celebrating the birth of Lord Ganesha, the festival is marked by vibrant festives, music and community prayers. Then comes Christmas Day, December 25th, a global holiday celebrated by many of its festive and joyful spirit. Then finally comes the third type of holidays, that is regional festivals. India's diversity means that each state may have its own unique holidays. These are some of the examples. Pongal, celebrated on Jan 14th, the harvest festival is most important in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Then comes Makar Sankranti, celebrated in various states. Taking place on January 15th, it is the harvest festival celebrated in different ways across the states. Then comes Onam, comes on September 8th. This festival is known for its elaborate feasts, boat races and culture programs. Then finally comes the Bihu, which is celebrated on April 15th, mostly in Assam. Bihu is a festival that makes the Assami New Year and the start of harvest season. Let us see the list of holidays for the calendar year 2025. In brief, we have listed down the different dates for different festivals and holidays. Let us see the chart starting from January 1st till 31st of December for the calendar year 2025. Depending upon each company's policies, they frame the holidays and festivals. But in brief, let us see what all festivals and holidays are covered for the calendar year 2025. 1st January, New Year. 14th January, Makar Sankranti. 26th January, Republic Day. 26th February, Mahashivratri. 14th March, Holi. 30th March, Ugadi. 31st March, Eid al-Fitr. 18th April, Good Friday. 1st May, May Day. 7th June, Eid al-Adha. 6th July, Muharram. 9th August, Raksha Bandhan. 15th August, Independence Day. 16th August Janmashtami, 27th August Ganesh Chaturthi, 2nd October Mahatma Gandhi birthday, 2nd October Dashera, 20th October Diwali, 5th November Guru Nanak's birthday, 25th December Christmas Day. So these are the list of 20 days which consists of national holidays and festivals. As I already said, depending upon each company's policies and terms and conditions, companies will be picking up a list of holidays and festivals. Accordingly, the company will be listing out the new holiday list for the calendar year 2025. In conclusion, knowing and understanding the holiday schedule for the calendar year 2025 helps you to plan your holidays and make the most out of your time off, and also helps you to make better plans for personal and professional growth. Be sure to review the list and plan your time off accordingly. So friends, hope you understood in detail about the holidays list for the calendar year 2025. If you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all the queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.